Welcome back to my YouTube channel. The Byd Atto 2, also known as the Yun Up in China, is a compact all-electric SUV introduced by Byd Atto, positioned between the BYD Dolphin and the larger Atto 3. The Atto 2 offers a blend of urban-friendly dimensions and SUV versatility. Dimensions and design. Length 4,310 mm. Width 1,830 mm. Height 1,675 mm. Wheelbase 2,620 mm. These dimensions make the Atto 2 145 mm shorter and 45 mm narrower than the Atto 3, contributing to its compact footprint suitable for urban environments. The design features Byd's dragon face aesthetic, characterized by a distinctive front fascia, flush door handles, a floating roof design, and a full-length rear taillight bar. Performance and battery. The Atto 2 is equipped with a 45.1 kWh BYD Blade lithium-ion LFP battery, powering a front-mounted permanent magnet synchronous motor that delivers 174 bhp 130 kW. This setup provides an estimated range of up to 194 miles, approximately 312 kilometers, on a single charge. Interior features. Inside, the Atto 2 boasts a modern and tech-focused cabin, including an 8.8-inch LCD instrument cluster, a 12.8-inch infotainment touchscreen that can rotate between landscape and portrait orientations, perforated leatherette upholstery, a wireless charging pad, a crystal gear selector. These features aim to enhance the driving experience with both comfort and convenience. Market availability. BYD plans to launch the Atto 2 in Europe in February 2025, targeting the compact SUV segment. It is expected to be priced between the existing Dolphin and Atto 3 models, making it an accessible option for those seeking a budget-friendly electric SUV. BYD Build Your Dreams is a Chinese multinational company that specializes in manufacturing electric vehicles, batteries, and renewable energy products. Founded in 1995, BYD initially focused on rechargeable batteries and later expanded into automobiles and clean energy solutions. It is now one of the largest EV manufacturers in the world, known for its electric cars, buses, trucks, and advanced battery technology. Some key highlights about BYD.